When it comes to insect infestations like I'm dealing with, to weeds, to all sorts of issues, it is very powerful to use a concentrate and the Chapin pressured sprayer. This pressured sprayer is amazing. You can use a variety of concentrates in it and it will really go the distance. The container itself is super sturdy and so is the pump, which you can pump up and down and then lock to carry it by the handle. And then the rest of it goes together really easily. Just slide the tube on in. For the nozzle, make sure to twist everything on really tightly as that is what will hold the pressure in there. If you don't twist it on tightly, it might pop off and then you'll just have to twist it back on. And then it has this great handle that you hold down when you want to spray. The nozzle itself has controls on the tip so you can go from a mist to a more direct spray depending on what you need. And that's really it for how the pressure sprayer goes together. And here is why I love it. I can put just a small amount of the insecticidal soap I want in, and then it's just a ton of water, and that's all it needs. Twist on the top, and you're ready to tackle your project. I love the size of this, that I can walk around and hold it because it's not too heavy. The pressure is really easy to push up and down to get it pumped up and pressured, and it really, really works well. So here's my first go with it. Just pumped it up quite a bit, and if it gets too hard, you don't have to keep pumping. You can just twist it locked wherever it's easiest for you, and then just hold down and spray away. This is where I have the spray going a little more straight out, more forceful. I really like this for what I'm doing as it also helps spray off the insects, but if I want, I can keep twisting it to more of a mist. Really depends on what you're spraying and what your goal is, but this pressured sprayer lets you do it all. It's small enough to walk around with, it's super durable, and you can use it for a variety of applications. I totally love it and definitely recommend it.